wizards, sorcerers, witches, magicians. This is Dino. Disney in Orlando. So, the reason why we are here at Universal Studios today is because it's a Passholder preview day for the Today Cafe. It's a brand new cafe that replaced the Boulangerie right by the entrance on the Main Street portion in Hollywood of Universal Studios. So, come with me and we'll go check it out for the very first time. Now that they are letting people in, I'll go over a few things. So the Today Cafe did replace the Boulangerie, which had mostly sandwiches and pastries. The pastries are still present here at the Today Cafe, although they might have changed. And let me tell you, the pastries here at Universal are very underrated. They make most of their pastries in-house and they are very delicious, especially when warm. In addition, they have a lot of healthy options. They also have breakfast.
All right, guys, thank you for coming.
The breakfast is things like oatmeal and of course the pastries again. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna try some food, and hopefully it's a good experience. Now, I will say one disclaimer is that it is very strange that they have placed this Today Cafe, which is a replica of Studio 1A in Rockefeller Center in New York City, in the Hollywood section of the park, which really shows that they're pushing for their NBC IP here in the parks, and they really don't care as much about keeping the theming as they used to. Sounds like they're kind of turning into a little bit of what Disney's doing over at Epcot. But we'll see how good the food is, and the restaurant definitely looks pretty. So in addition to things like grilled cheese and oatmeal, they also feature specialty coffees and sandwiches, salads, small cheese platter, that sounds interesting, and of course your normal beverages. So in addition to things like breakfast and lunch sandwiches, they've got things like grilled cheese, salads, oatmeal, and even a cheese platter. So it all sounds very good and looks very good.
You want the green tea matcha? You want a green tea? Yeah. Say order over there.
Yes, sir. So as soon as you get to the register, they're going to take that sandwich order for you to make it so much easier. That way you're not having to order here and then order there as well.
I like that. That's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here too as well. Pretty colorful. And this is our confetti cake.
So guys, review time. The food is absolutely excellent. I'm definitely going to be coming back here in the near future. I had the pastrami sandwich, which is called the Carnegie. It was a bit salty on the drier side, but I've let them know because they're very keen on taking feedback. Anything you ever find here at Universal, they're really good at taking feedback and they listen to it, including all the surveys that you see people stop you for. I didn't try any of the drinks, but I'm sure they're great. The lavender cream puff was good. I was expecting it to be a bit colder, but the crunch on the outside was fantastic. The prices are pretty reasonable here. For $13 or $14, I got the pastrami sandwich and it came with a side. The side options were fruit or potato salad. The potato salad was delicious. Full potatoes with a sauce around it, rather than tons of sauce with not so many potatoes. The whole atmosphere in there is a bit more Hollywood-esque, and I have a feeling that they sort of designed it in a modern, sleek style, partially to resemble the studio, but also to fit in with the surrounding area. The views of the parade are great, especially if you're out here on the patio. You're under umbrellas, there's lots of shade around here, and they even have breakaway doors where they can open the whole wall, and they have air conditioning units to separate inside from outside. Again, definitely come and try out the Today Cafe when you're here next. I'm definitely going to be coming back here and trying more of the food. The pastries all look fantastic. Some of them I have had before. The peanut butter and jelly cupcake that they have here is quite good. Their croissants are also delicious. They're nice and crunchy, as croissants should be. They also have vegan croissants and a full allergy menu, unlike some of the restaurants that are throughout this park. I can't wait to try more things and deliver you guys with more reviews of the food here at the Today Cafe. The atmosphere is very, very nice. Sleek style, very simple. The other side, by the patio, fully opens up to become an indoor-outdoor space, which is a brilliant idea. Not sure how often they'll be able to use that, given this is Florida, and we either have super hot sun or tons of rain, but it's a great idea, and I hope they use it, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. So you can sit and eat while you watch the parade instead of having to stand out in the hot sun. There's lots of shade on the patio due to all of the umbrellas and the trees that they planted, and it looks very, very nice. There's even room to move around. So thank you guys for joining me on this review, and I'll catch you guys next time. See you, dinos. The atmosphere is absolutely delicious. I see something, guys.
Go subscribe, go follow my Instagram at summer_the dance.
All right.